Hello everyone, I'm Fang. Welcome to Ningbo Xuli. Xuli is a professional manufacturer special making the cargo tie-down for more than 30 years. Today, we are going to take a look at our patent strap, retractable ratchet tie-down. Later, we will show you how to operate it. Thank you.
This is our retractable ratchet tie-down. Connect the adjust end, pull out the strap as long as you need. Connect the fixed end. Press the red button to retract the excess strap. It has a tape here. Press the red button and move the lever up to the left. Then you can retract until you feel it tight. You can see our strap is tight. It's also very easy to release the strap. Just press the red button and move the handle down to the tape. Finally, press the red button to retract the strap. Really so quick. Compared to the common retractable ratchet strap in the market, ours have break function design like the tape measure. You can pull out the strap gradually and control the red button to retract the webbing gradually as you're willing. More safe. Thank you for watching.